morning everyone, we are on day 18 now. I'm getting sad because I know we're coming towards the end, but let's just go straight in anyway. Let's not delay, let's just get it open. Okey-dokey. So this one is called Jasper, nice easy one, thank you Siobhan. And it is this gorgeous, amazing, like burnt orange, I would say. It's definitely not a normal orange, it's definitely not red. It's somewhere in between. So that, as I say, I would say this is like a burnt orange. It's really, really deep, but very, very rich colour. And this is quite a solid dye, this one, I think. It's quite a solid dye job and it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. So let's add lovely Jasper. There we go, just about fitting on there now. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.